it going, guys? Today we're going to be taking a closer look at the 2025 Ember E Series. This is going to be their 21 FBE floor plan. Now obviously you did see your pass-through storage right away. It does go all the way through. One slide out on this travel trailer altogether, and that's going to be on the driver's side, so it doesn't take away from your campground area. You can check out that massive awning as well as those solid steps underneath the entry door. And if we go into the travel trailer, on the back wall, you're gonna have a little bit of pantry storage as well as your 12-volt oversized refrigerator. Then you're gonna have your bathroom. So this bathroom on the right has your shower with your skylight above for extra headroom. You're gonna have your medicine cabinet, sink, plenty of storage, and then your porcelain toilet is gonna be down below. Across from that, you're going to have the rest of your kitchen. So you have your single basin sink, storage. I'm really digging the backsplash that we have here. You also have a 2-burner cooktop, microwave down below. And then at the end of this counter space, you're going to have your bar stools and your TV. At the very front of this travel trailer, you're going to find your main bedroom area. So this is going to be a queen size bed. You have storage surrounding, windows on either side, as well as a little bit of CPAP storage behind each of those wardrobes. Now, like I said, one slide out on this travel trailer altogether. You have theater seating, a little bit of extra storage within. Now the theater seatings do recline, and you have some remote storage in the middle there. All right, guys, this is going to be your 2025 Ember E Series 21 FBE. Thank you so much. Have a great day. One slide out on this travel trailer altogether, and that's going to be on the driver's side, so it doesn't take away from your campground area. You can check out that massive awning